just going to do a little how-to on how to adjust the kitchen cupboard door. I don't know if you find this really annoying, but when I go around people's houses sometimes I see their cupboard doors like this one. If you have a little closer look at that, you'll see how out of line that is. Have a look down the bottom as well, the gap at that end compared to the other end there, that. And then up the side there on the left.
Yeah.
And it's actually really simple to do, and I think a lot of people think, oh no, I need to get a carpenter in to do all this. But you really don't. Just, all you need is a screwdriver, and then what you've got in the cupboard there is you've got this screw here, so you have one at the front which moves the door that way, like that, and then there's the other screw on there, so that'll bring this side out. Say you was coming into your end panel or something like that, it'll straighten it up to come into your end panel nicely. So what I need to do there, so that end there is a little bit close, I need to screw that in. So that first screw there, you see if I do it that way it's coming towards us, but I need to do the other way, so I need to move that way. So if I move that in a little bit, that's an acceptable gap. Now if I do this one the opposite way, because the gap's massive there, so that one wants to come across that way. So if I then do that, that now is all nice and parallel. That took what, less than a minute to do that?
Yeah.
One screwdriver. Most people are going to have a screwdriver. So yeah, just a nice simple how to align your kitchen cupboard door again.